Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Latifah, and in case you're wondering what today's video is all about, keep on watching because I'm going to be sharing with you the 10 must-have things in your bedroom. Well, first of all, before we get on into this video, I know a bedroom is something that is very private, something that is very intimate and all that, but then again, a bedroom is somewhere that needs to, one needs to give a priority to. Just like giving a priority to a living room because it's the first place your guests get to experience and get to see. A bedroom is also a very important space that you need to put into consideration when designing your house. But no matter your priority, at the end of it all, your bedroom needs to feel well designed and well intentionally designed because this is a space that you spend a lot of time in. So a bedroom needs to be a very curated place that needs to speak and really bring out that kind of a person and personality that you have. So before we get started, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and of course share this video widely with your friends and family members, and let's get started. So guys, the first and obvious thing that you definitely need to have in your bedroom is a comfortable bed. I know this is something that sounds so obvious to everyone and you're like, oh, I already know this. Yeah, I know, but you need to ensure that you have the right bed that fits your needs and of course fits that particular space that you have. Perhaps maybe you've moved, assuming you from a smaller space to a bigger space, then you definitely need to ensure that you have the right size of bed for that particular space. Reason being, if you have a smaller bed in a bigger space, the bed tends to feel very, like it's sucked in the entire room and it doesn't look really good. A mattress is everything. Buying the right mattress is everything. Reason being, a mattress will either make your back feel better or make your back feel worse. And I'm telling you this out of experience. There are days that I've woken up, guys, past in my life, that I felt my back was really in pain simply because of a bad choice of a mattress. So be keen with the kind of mattresses you buy out there and ensure that you have the right mattress. Try to go to professional people that actually sell mattresses that are going to take you through different designs of mattresses and the purpose that they can actually help or serve for your body and all that. So this helps you have a very comfortable bed that serves your needs and of course is really playing a part in making your body feel relaxed during the night and all that. Nice beddings is definitely something that you always want to have in your bed, and the reason why I'm saying this is because if you want a comfortable and a nice place that not only serves the comfort but also brings out that nice beauty in your bedroom, then you need to have very nice bedding. So I would advise you go for things that are are comfortable to you. The cotton beddings that definitely are very comfortable, that you can go for and that you can choose that will go very well with with your design style that you're going for. And a good option or a good way to choose beddings is of course always go for white beddings. Avoid any other colors of beddings. Well, neutral colors are a little bit allowed, but just try to avoid bright colors like red. Red is not something that you can afford to have in your bedroom because this is not calming. This is not a color that is really calming your mind. It's shouting and it's everywhere. So try to have calming colors. If you ask me, white is definitely always the best way to go. Is try to have a very nice puffed duvet. This puffed duvet definitely comes in when it comes to designing your bed or even spreading and styling your bed, and this really makes your bed look high-end and very nice looking and very pleasing. The other thing that you need to have in your bedroom is definitely the best curtains or nice curtains. Well, so this is something that is very important, and I think it's something that sometimes we tend to not take it so seriously, and I don't know why, but curtains really play a big role in just elevating the look of your space. Come up with a design style, try to come up with a color scheme that is you're going to play around in your bedroom. So for instance, when you're doing your throw blankets and throw pillow accessories in your bed, you can pick colors from that and use that to get very nice curtains that integrate very well well with that, and you're going to see a very nice, seamless, cohesive look in your bedroom just by choosing the right curtains. And another thing that I feel that we go wrong in is, of course, designing our curtains too short, and this is something that is not high-end and doesn't look so good. I would advise you try to get long curtains that are touching the floor, and of course, high enough towards the ceiling and a little bit wide away from the window frame. This definitely gives you that nice look and make that space look like a very nice hotel that you've gone to, only that it's a daily hotel that is within your house that you're going to be experiencing every day. Now guys, this is something that you're definitely going to hear for a long time me talk about it, and this is a designated seating area. A bedroom obvious is meant for sleeping, right? That one we know for sure. But clearly, how can you have a bed and not have a sitting or a designated area for sitting? Sometimes you're tired of sitting on the bed, or sometimes you just want to read your magazine, read your book, or maybe the person that really loves watching in your bedroom, then you really need to have a designated area for sitting in your bedroom. And this is really a good way to make sure that you design your space with the kind of purpose that it's going to serve. What are some of the activities that you really want to do in that particular bedroom? And once you have that in place, then it becomes so easy for you now to be able to put everything in place and be able to jot down like the important activities and the things that you must have and the things that you can compromise to replace them with the most important activities and all that. A rug is definitely something that you don't want to miss in your bedroom. Other than it serving the purpose of beauty, it definitely makes your room feel warm and cozy at the same time. So you can imagine you're waking up very early in the morning and the first thing you feel on your feet is cold floor. How horrible is that? So for you to be able to avoid that is just try to have a very nice and right size rug for your bedroom. Try to have a big enough rug that is definitely going to go under your bed all the way towards your bedside tables, and of course a little bit away from your bed so that you have enough space to be able to put your feet on when you wake up in the morning and all that. It's a great feeling to just have a very cozy and a very warm bedroom at the end of it all. So a rug is something that you definitely don't want to miss, and it's something that you definitely want to have in your space, and it's definitely going to take you that long way and making your space feel cozy and high-end and luxurious and all those things that you always want to feel when you go to a hotel or when you travel to a destination home and all that. So sometimes you may feel maybe you prefer a runner in your space. Well and good, you can always opt for a runner, but make sure that it's a runner that is big enough to serve the purpose that it needs to serve. And also, if possible, if you have a partner, try to have 2 runners, one for your side and one for his side, so that you have that nice balance and symmetry going on in your bedroom. Now, plants is something that you also don't want to miss in your bedroom. Why? Because plants are beautiful and plants make your space look stunning and warm and calming. And the advantage of actually having plants in your bedroom is that during the night they clean the air. And this is something that you want to have because it's going to clean your air, and every time you come in your bedroom, it will always feel airy and fresh, and this is something that you always want to feel. Who doesn't want to have clean air in their surrounding? Then if that is the kind of a person you are, then a plant is something that you don't want to miss in your bedroom. There are a variety of options when it comes to plants that are out there that you can choose from, and there are many plants you can decide to bring home and put in your bedroom that will work perfectly well for your design style. So make sure that you have the right steps and procedures of having or even taking care of a plant in your house and all that. In that way, it becomes easy for you to be able to grow your plant and to be able to make it even bloom more and become bigger and more beautiful in your space. So now I have talked about mirrors everywhere, and this is something that I don't think I'm going to stop talking about for the longest time ever. So mirrors or a large mirror in your bedroom definitely a must to have. And the reason why I'm saying this is because mirrors play a big part, in making your space or making your bedroom feel nice and beautiful and spacious. So mirrors play a very big part in variety of functions. One of them is definitely helping us dress up in the morning. For us ladies is of course doing our makeup and just ensuring that we look nice and presentable and all that. And other than that, of course, mirrors brighten the space. They reflect light and brighten your space and make it look more airy and fresh and more bright and all that. So other than just playing that part, mirrors also act as a decorative object in your bedroom. So this definitely elevates your look and makes that space look more functional and intentionally designed. Now, bedside tables is another thing that, guys, I don't think you really need to not have in your bedroom. This is very important. Bedside tables not only make your space look beautiful or even elevate your look of your bedroom, but they also serve a very important part. You're able to put your jar of water and a glass, whereby you're able to drink your water at the comfort of your bed and all that, and in the morning you're able to take them back and all that. So if depending on the kind of purposes that you play or you do in your bedroom, then you'll be able to know the kind of size you want for your bedside table. So you'll find that maybe, as I've mentioned, there's this person who has functions that of putting a phone, putting a book, putting a jar of water and glass and all that. So that means you need a bit big of a side table, and you find that someone else just wants to maybe put a decorating accent in that bedside table, or you'll find that someone else just wants to put a picture frame or a lampshade, whichever purpose that it's serving. So if it's not a lot of functions, then you can always opt for something that is a little bit smaller. So depending with your functions, you cannot miss to have a bedside table. It doesn't have to be anything expensive really. It can be something affordable, something that is really simple and very well designed, but at the end of the day, you'll find that it's actually serving the purpose that it needs to serve. So at the end of the day, a bedside table is not something that you can afford to miss in your bedroom, and it's something that you really need to have at the end of it all. So now, table lamps or sconce lights is something that is a must to have in your bedroom. This can also apply when it comes to floor lamps as well. So sometimes you don't want to use the recessed light that is on the ceiling, and maybe you just want to have that nice mood happening in your space, or maybe you don't want to have a lot of light happening or in your space in your bedroom. So one option is always a lampshade, and if you ask me, guys, a lampshade really plays a big part. This is something for me I cannot do without, and it really brings in very nice moods, I don't know, like atmosphere and experience and ambience in your bedroom. So this is something that you really need to have. So you can choose maybe to have a lampshade. Sconce lights, you normally hang them on the wall. So this is something that you also need to ask yourself if you want to do it or not. But if it's something that you definitely love, then you can always opt for it. But if you want something that is a little bit simpler and not so complicated, then you can always go for table lamps. And this is a good option because you remember I said previously that sometimes you just want to read a book on your bed. They really play a big part in helping you do that. So art wall is something that you definitely must have in your bedroom, and this brings in that nice comfort and coziness to your space. It helps bring the room together. It helps bring your design side together, and it's a great way to be able to decorate your space and be able to make that bedroom feel like a bedroom. So having wall art in your bedroom is a must. So try to look at the kind of design style you really want to have in your bedroom. It will help you choose the right wall art for your bedroom or for your walls. So for instance, let's say maybe you're a modern person and you just want something that is very seamless and very nice. You can always go for photography, you can go for art gallery, you can go for different variety of things that are very modern and very nice. Try to ensure that you have the right art wall. You actually have options. You can always have art wall above your headboard depending with the size of your headboard, or you can always opt to have your art wall opposite your bed. In this way, you're able to appreciate your art. You're able to appreciate the kind of wall art that you've put or you've hung in your walls. And this is a great way even to refresh and be able to relax and be able to just have that relaxing experience in your bedroom and all that. So thank you so much for watching till the end of this video. So if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up by clicking the like button, and of course don't forget to subscribe. I love having you guys as part of this community and of course helping this channel grow. So other than that, I'll see you on my next video, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.